If you are a developer or an EB5 investor, this next minute will change how you connect forever. Hello everyone, Christina here. Welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group. Today's topic, EB5 connection lay. Years, EB5 has been slow, fragmented, and relationship dependent. Developers searching for capital, investors searching for trust. Everyone is waiting, everyone is guessing, everyone stuck in the old system. But today, AIMIMI opens the new lay, the EB5 connection lay inside the ecosystem lay where developers get direct visibility to verified EB5 investors. A lay where investors see real projects, real timelines, and real operators. A lay where AI routes both sides instantly. No noise, no drift, no wasted time. AIMIMI reads the project. AIMIMI reads the investor profile. AIMIMI makes the connection with attorney. Faster, clean, direct. This is how EB5 capital moves in 2026. This is how developers accelerate compound growth. This is how investors gain clarity, trust. This is how the ecosystem replaces the old system. If you are ready to enter EB5 connection line 997 in try and step into the ecosystem, enjoy AIMIMI service you. If you want to learn more about our off-market multifamily deal flow ecosystem, powered by advanced AI technology, AIMIMI service you inside. Welcome to join Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group, Session 34. Session 34 will be held on May 30th, 2026 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, online on Zoom. Session 34 is CEO CL room. We have issued 250 passports, each state only 5 seats. Don't miss. Welcome to join CEO CRO Community of Excellence of Market 100 unit plus multifamily deal merchant, capital merchant, top 1% client acquisition. You are welcome to subscribe our YouTube channel, Christina Melody Group. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any business opportunity, new deal job, new topic. Of course, any new updates, upgrades of our ecosystem. You are welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group every single day and celebrate with us together. Thank you and welcome.